This thing is absolutely insane. Currently folded up, compressed, pretzeled onto a 2018 Ducati Panigale V4S. It's absolutely, well, that's not what I want. It's absolutely mental. It makes so much power. It's tiny, it's focused, it's rock hard. I'm not a tall person, I'm 5'7", and I feel like I've been fully compressed onto this. But the noise it makes is phenomenal. On and off the throttle, its brakes are brilliant. They're super savage actually. The engine is so nice to listen to. It's a little bit rattly as you would expect. A tick over, Ducati trademark. But once it's moving, it just wants to go, and it wants to go fast. The sound is addictive. This is totally not the right sort of environment for it, this road across Dartmoor. It's bumpy, it's narrow, it's not really a flowing road for a sports bike. I'm sat in the most unorthodox riding position, fully stretched out to the bars. I'm not a massive Ducati fan, never have been. However, this engine is a game changer for me. Love it. I've rode the V-twin Panigales. Never really liked it. There's loads of people at the bridge. I wanted to be selfish and have that car parked to myself. But I might have to get the bike in there. A load of space by itself, see what happens. Oh yeah, there's room. Alright, Panigale gravel track. Not its natural environment. However, we are in here. This bike is super hot, as in my butt is on fire. There's neutral. There's the side stand. There's the side stand. Can't get it with these bloody boots on. There it is. Hey guys, just had the amazing opportunity to ride the Ducati Panigale V4S. It's bonkers, so fast, so focused. That engine is amazing. I've had to go on the V-twins and that thing is something else. The way it makes power is just addictive. Brakes, super focused, super hard. Suspension, super focused, super hard. Riding position, extreme. It is a phenomenal bike. Too good for the road really. It doesn't really belong on the road. It belongs on a racetrack, but it's absolutely mental and I loved it. Let's have a listen to it, start it up. Off-roading on the Panigale. Off-roading on the Panigale V4S. Highly not recommended. Let's get that crap off the tyres. Listen to that, guys. It's just insane. So you've got all that power, and then you roll off the front and you get a massive amount of engine braking, which is it's different to what I'm used to. It just moves, guys, it just moves.